This digital livestock company has been operating since January 2024 as at the time I'm making this video, and they are focused on allowing people invest in farm animals and farm feeds digitally. If I'm right, they've been operating for about 9 months now, and here is how to register and start investing as well. If you are new here, my name is Jada Komla Kinsley, and on here we make videos about how to grow your YouTube channel and also how to earn money online. So if you are interested, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and also share this video to friends who are also interested. It's always good to take risk and make money. When you are in Ghana, they allow deposit and withdrawal from just these two medium, which is MTN and Telecel, which makes investments so simple and easy. So this is how their registration page looks like. Now the link to this website is made available in my WhatsApp channel, and the WhatsApp channel's link is in the description. So just click this link in the description and visit my WhatsApp channel. So the first place to fill is your number. After your number, you set in your password and you click on send for them to send you the code and register. So when the registration is done, you log in into your account. Do all not to forget the password. So you type the password as well and you hit login. So this is their home page after you log into your account, and you join their Telegram channel as well. They've been giving updates and how things are going in the Telegram channel. So if there is any information, you get to know through the Telegram channel. Now coming back to the investment plan, you can see that there is an amount of 18 cedis which falls under VIP 0, and an amount of 62.4 cedis which also falls under VIP 0. Now depending on the animal stock or the livestock you want to invest in, you choose the price that you want. Just like in real life, some animal stocks are expensive than others. So digitally, it's also the same. Some livestock are expensive than others. Here is how you do the deposit. You click on the amount you want to deposit, and also you click on the payment medium you are using, being it MTN or Vodafone, which is Telecel at the moment. So you click on recharge now. Here you would have to select the medium you are using again. So you choose MTN or Telecel depending on the one you are using. So here is a page containing the details that you'd have to make the deposit money to. So you pick the account number from here, and also you take note of the name or the one receiving the amount of money. So after you make your payment, you screenshot and then you send to the customer service on Telegram. So when you are done, they will activate the investment plan that you've paid for. Similarly, here is how to withdraw. You choose the medium you want to, and also you type the amount that you would want to withdraw after accumulating the amount into your balance in the account, and you withdraw successfully. Here is a screenshot of a deposit made for investment and also a withdrawal from the investment platform. Thank you so much for watching this video, and catch you up in my next upload.